How to stop Snapchat from suggesting friends. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to stop Snapchat from suggesting friends notifications, what you're simply gonna do is first open Snapchat on your device. Now, in the top left corner, you can see your Bitmoji. Click on it. Then, in the top right, you can see the settings logo or icon. Go there. Then, you'll be taken to the settings page. Now over here, what you're going to do is scroll a bit down, then go to the option which says see me in find friends. Click on it, and as you can see, this is toggled on. Click on it to toggle it off. Then again, scroll to the top of the page, and in my account, you're going to go to the option notifications. In notifications, scroll a bit down, and in over here in friend suggestions, you can see three options which are turned on. Just toggle it off, and there you go. Now you won't receive any friend suggestion notifications on Snapchat. So hope you liked it. This is it, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.